Hey everyone, it's Richard here. Let's unbox the DJI Pocket 3. This is the brand new and just released DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's available in two options, the Pocket 3 or the Pocket 3 Creator Combo Pack. I've opted for the Creator Pack because it comes with a few more accessories. Here in the UK, the Pocket 3 retails for around £489 and the Creator Pack for around £620. So it's quite a significant investment if you choose to get one. The new version replaces the Pocket 2, and I think this is actually a step up in terms of hardware and capabilities. So just a little bit of info while I open the box here. The Pocket 3 has a 1-inch CMOS sensor, so it can film in 4K. It has a 2-inch rotatable touchscreen and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilisation. So this means you're going to get super smooth shots when you move about. There's also active tracking, so if you're vlogging or filming someone, then faces and people can be automatically tracked. It has fast autofocus and stereo recording built in. And the best feature has to be its size. It's small enough to fit easily in your pocket and is ready to record as soon as you switch it on, which is as easy as just turning the screen. Now this is the first accessory you get, and this comes in both the standard Pocket 3 and the Pocket 3 Creator Pack. It's a protective cover. I have to say, for a piece of plastic, it feels really nice, and it's sturdy, and it looks pretty smart too. Nothing else here in the box. Okay, so let's look at the main event. It looks like everything else that comes in the Creator Pack is all stored in this carrying bag. It looks like you have to download an app to get it registered and working, but I think that's pretty common with all DJI products. So you have your quick start guide and your safety warnings. Looks like it's mostly warnings about getting it wet, so this definitely is not waterproof. It could make filming in the rain a little bit more tricky. Okay, so this bag feels pretty heavy with everything in it. But let's unzip it and take a look. Okay, so I can see there's a few compartments with stuff in. Let's just get it all out and see what's in here. I'll start with the Pocket 3 itself. Just look at this, it's so tiny and it looks really smart. If you've vlogged or filmed with a Sony ZV-1, then this feels so much smaller. So to turn it on, all you got to do is turn the screen. How cool is that? Okay, so the next thing in here is a handle, and it's got a 1/4-inch thread. So this is included in both the Pocket 3 and the Creator Combo Pack, so you'll get this whichever one you pick. What this does is it adds a standard screw fit into the bottom of your pocket, so you can attach this to tripods or other standard camera equipment. It also changes the position of the charger port on your pocket, should you need it. I believe that this is also the last accessory you get in the standard pack, So everything else that's in here now is just in this Creator Combo Pack. This is one of the reasons I went with this combo pack. It's called a battery handle. Again, it slots in the bottom of your pocket free and increases the battery life of your pocket. So it basically acts as a charger and keeps your pocket's main battery topped up, thereby extending the life of your filming. I like the way that both the handle and the battery handle allow you to charge on the go, and they just easily clip into the bottom and can be removed with just the push of a simple button. Okay, let's see what else is in here then. So this is a mini tripod stand. This screws into that small thread on either the handle or the battery handle we just looked at, and this will allow you to place your pocket down on a flat surface. The combo pack includes the DJI Mic 2 transmitter, and it does come pre-linked to your pocket free, so you should just be able to switch it on and start recording straight away using this instead of the built-in mics on the pocket free itself. Just look at this though, how cool is it to see some of the electronics through the case? So you get one charging cable, which can be used to charge both the Pocket Free and the Mic 2. It doesn't come with a plug, so you're going to need to buy one if you don't already have one. You also get a wrist strap, so you don't risk dropping your pocket while you record. Always good to attach these things. If you do decide to use the Mic 2 for recording your sound, say if you're vlogging, etc., then in windy conditions, you're going to need this fluffy thing, which we call a dead cat. It sits on top of the microphone to drown out wind noise. So this is the wide angle lens. It's a magnetic lens that snaps over the pocket's camera lens to increase the field of vision. So if you want to get more background or scenery in your shot, then this lens basically allows you to see more what's around you. I think I might just pop this back in the bag for now. As knowing me, I'll probably end up losing it or putting my fingerprints all over it, or something will happen to it. Okay, so it looks like this bag's nearly empty now. I think DJI are grasping at straws here, describing this as an accessory. It's basically a strong magnet that attaches to the clip on the Mic 2. This means you can either clip your Mic 2 to your clothing, or use the magnet beneath your clothing to keep this mic in place. If I'm being critical, then I think it's a bit of a cheat to list the Mic 2, the dead cat, and the magnet as 3 separate accessories. They kind of all work as one, surely. Okay, so let's not forget the protective case we opened earlier. You can see the lens holder for the wide angle lens here. There's also a holder for a black Pro Mist, though this is not included in this pack either, so that's something you're going to have to buy separate if you want it. So here you have it all together, the Creator Combo Pack. Do you think it's worth the extra money? I thought I'd just end this video by just quickly showing you the quick start guide, because then you can sort of see from the pictures how you'd get going with your DJI Pocket Free. So I'm now going to go and get started with the Pocket 3. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up, as this is a new channel and it would really help me greatly to be seen by other people. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and again, thanks for watching and bye for now.